And make sure you follow my mom on
4,
MySpace.
3,
and I will see you in the next video.
MySpace? Yeah. Does they even exist?
I think so. But I'll see you in the next video.
Boy.
Okay.
Son, you really need to come on. Where's the key? That's enough. That's the key. Where's the key?
The key was in that bag right there.
What?
It was in this bag. This is where I bought it.
Where's the key? There's no key in here.
I don't think it's in here. I think I lost the key. Because the key...
Little boy, you gotta get that key and
Mama,
stop playing. Now don't play with you all day long now. Oh, where the key is at? Find the key!
Here's the thing.
Thing about to go upside your head. Find that key.
Okay, maybe this is what we're gonna have to do. We'll probably have to get a chainsaw and then just go like this. Because I don't think the key's in here.
Check your pockets or something. You maybe put the key somewhere else. Come on now. Just stop playing with me.
The key's
It's been a long day. We gotta go see Granny. We gotta go back and do...
I'm almost there. Just give me 1 second. I'm almost...
Lord. I ain't...
Mom, I'm trying to...
You better stop playing with me. No, I'm not going with you nowhere else. Get that key, Jeremiah. Stop playing with me, son. I'm ready to go.
Okay.
Turn the camera off. Now.
Okay, it's off.
Jeremiah.
I remember when I was doing the intro.
Where is that key?
I remember I was doing the intro and I...
There's no key in here. Where is the key?
No, Mama. When I was doing the intro, I put the key back in.
Where were you doing the intro at?
I did it right here.
Well, then look around here. Check your drawers. Look over there. Come on now. What's this over here? What's in this basket? In Jesus' name. Give me strength, Lord. Doing too much, man.
Okay, that's
I ain't going no, I'm not going nowhere because I know you didn't take no key anywhere over here.
Look, Mom, I'm telling you.
Check your drawers. What's your name? Check your camera bag. Here. Where's your bag?
Do you want to get away from me that bad?
Son, I am tired.
Mom.
I am tired. No, come on. You play too much.
Mom, it's not my fault that I lost the key.
It is your fault. You cannot handcuff somebody and then talking about you lost the key. I'm so tired I can't even strangle you right now.
Okay.
See, you wait till the end of the day when I have no more energy. Oh my fuck. Jeremiah, come on.
Mama, what if I drop it at the mall? You gonna go drive back to the mall?
The mall is closed. You right now. Stop playing with me. Son, look at me. Look at me.
Yes.
Did you just fart?
No. Mom, you're trying to...
Come on.
You're making nervous.
Come on. Come on.
No.
Stop playing. Stop it asking.
Mom, if you close your eyes for 3 seconds.
Just 2, 3.
No, can you do it for a little...
See where you was going? Where that key at? Where that key at? I know you got that key.
Okay, close your eyes for 15 seconds.
Alright.
Wait, count. You're not even closing your eyes. Close your eyes, please. Just for a little bit. Just for a little bit. Just for a little bit, I promise.
You got 1.
So, I'm gonna be a magician, right? So we're like, boop, boop, boop. The keys appeared. It was a prank. I never had the keys anyway. I pranked you again. Mama, so guys, I pranked my mom. I found the key, and I'm gonna.
Why am I still handcuffed?
Because I still want to spend quality time with you. Wait. Ooh, I'm 3.
Handcuffs off my hand.
You don't deserve it. I don't know where I put the key. It's on the floor. About to stay 10 feet. No! I'm moving out. Yes, today's video has come to an end. This prank, this whole entire video. I'm never doing this video again because my mom was literally yanking me everywhere. The whole entire day. If you haven't seen last week's video, go see that video. You know what I'm talking about if you did see it. Make sure you follow all my social media because I am very active on there, especially my spam account, so I can post every single Wednesday. Not every single Wednesday. Some days I do be skipping Wednesdays, but it's not my fault. I promise you. I skipped one Wednesdays and I made 2 videos in one day. The video was fun. I'll do it again in the future. I promise. I promise that I will do it too. I will do it again in the future just to make her mad again.
Hurry up! You still using that camera? Come on here, boy. Hurry up!
The first video, I did a prank where I was, not a prank, but I did a video where I was handcuffed to my mom for 24 hours. So that video will be the first link in the description box. So go check that out because this is part 2. I never done nothing like this on my channel before. I'll see you guys next week. Well, I don't know about that. Bye.